I'm going to show you how I turn an old pallet into a modern planter like this. Okay, so now that I've got the pallet all broken down, I'm going to take these over to the miter saw and get them cut down to size. And then I'm going to run them through a joiner so we get a nice clean edge. So let's get it done. Okay, so now that these are cut to size, I'm going to go ahead and rip these down and hopefully get about a 2x3 out of it. So we started with this from the pallet and ended up with this. I'm thinking that's looking pretty nice. All right, so these are looking pretty good. What I'm gonna do is glue all three of these together to make one side of the planter. So what I'm gonna do is line these up, measure them, and mark them for where the dowels are gonna go. I clamped them up and put weights on top to help prevent bowing. Once the glue was dry, I cut them down to size. These are the dimensions of the sides. So you're probably saying, that would have been a lot easier to just run those through a surface planer. And you'd be right, but I don't have one yet. So if Jet or DeWalt, if you want to send one over, that'd be great. Again, I'm using a jig to drill holes for the dowels. All right, so now let's get this thing glued up. Now that the box is done, let's go ahead and cut the legs out on the miter saw. I ripped one of the long boards down the middle to make the supports that the box sits on. I'm using dowel pins to mark the center points for the drill holes. Now that the glue's dried, I'm going to hit it with the orbital sander before moving on to painting. I'm using chalkboard black for the base and clear lacquer for the box. So I ended up doing 2 coats of the black, and I think it came out really nice. So let's go ahead and get this all put together and finish it up. What do you think, Stella? You like it? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.